welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we're here with another workout. Go ahead and grab your dumbbells. We're going to be working on our arms and doing a combo move, so we're doing some cardio too. So if y'all are ready, let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so we are going to walk in place here while doing 3 minutes of dumbbell curls here. So we are working on our arms here, targeting those biceps and getting some cardio in. So normally when we are doing our bicep curls or arm workouts, we're just kind of staying in place here with our knees bent here. This time we're marching it out, so we are burning extra calories here, getting in a better workout here, working our arms and getting that cardio in, getting that blood pumping. This is great. So I actually like to move around when I'm doing arm workouts if I can. Some things, you know, you can't move around with, can't walk in place with, like push-ups or other things on the floor, but these little dumbbell curls are great for that, so we can walk in place. So if you're in a room, you have some room to walk around, march in place, you can do that. Otherwise, just stay in the same place. And if y'all don't have dumbbells, that's okay. So we've gone 1 minute. So, like I said, if y'all don't have any weighted objects, that's okay. Just march in place and move your arms like so. Every time I've been trying to talk, we got the planes, trains, and automobiles going, so finally have a little space to talk, but you can just keep moving your arms like this, and we've gone 2 minutes. So we are on our last minute, y'all. Don't give up. My arms are going to be a little sore tomorrow because I filmed some arm heavy workouts, did a bunch of stuff in plank, and doing more arm workouts, so I'm going to be feeling this tomorrow. Keep going, y'all. You got this. So excited that it's summer now. Super excited to go to the pool and do all the fun summer things. Y'all can walk as fast as you want. You can really like speed walk it, or you can go kind of slow. It's up to y'all. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of y'all. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I look forward to seeing y'all on Friday for our next Zumba workout video. Bye!